what we're going to talk about is what he did to list his first 100 items in less than 48 hours and get his first sale.
Started eBay dropshipping last week. Sale within 48 hours. I made 100 listings, and last night I got my first sale, which is pretty exciting. Split on Amazon, and this guy was selling it, I think, for like almost $100. So I came with a price that was a little less than him, and I got my first sale. I was using the scanner, and I think I had $50 as my minimum price, and minimum sold was 1. And I was just going through. I mean, you could see I've been through a lot of pages here because I have 16.
All right, what's up, guys? This is Mark Augustine here, and if you're new to the channel, I've been dropshipping on eBay since 2011. I've over 3,000 videos on the subject of dropshipping, and in this video, we have Justin, who's a new eBay dropshipper. He's dropshipping from Amazon to eBay, and we have one video from him so far, and I'll put a link in the description to that previous video. But what we're going to talk about is what he did to list his first 100 items in less than 48 hours and get his first sale. But before we get into the video, Justin, you want to introduce yourself really quickly?
Hi guys, my name is Justin. I started eBay dropshipping last week, really.
Right.
And sale within 48 hours, I made 100 listings, and last night I got my first sale, which is pretty exciting.
Right. Okay. And this is one of the reasons I'm doing these videos with Justin. I struggle personally to do like beginner type videos because I think I've been doing this a little too long. So it's also exciting for me to see Justin execute on what we're doing and get results and get sales, right? So Justin, you want to share your screen really quickly?
Sure.
So we can show them the sale actually happened. Guys, so like the video for Justin's first sale. If you're brand new to eBay dropshipping, let us know in the comment section how we can help you. And if you haven't gotten your first sale yet, let me know again how we can help you get your first sale. And if you have, again, we'll start the conversation in the comment section where we can like figure out how to best dropship on eBay. So right, so you sold an item for $79.11. That is exciting. So your very first sale is an $80 item. A lot of people will consider that kind of high ticket.
Yeah, which was basically this headphones.
Right. So you sold the headphones.
Yeah, I posted his headphones last night, and this morning I woke up to a message, it's been sold. And I'm like, whoa. So I ended up getting this guy information. It's pretty straightforward, especially using Ecom Sniper. You got his information, you go on Amazon, submit his address, everything, and you talk to him on eBay, and you get, give him customer service, make him feel like, oh, he's not being scammed or anything. And hopefully when he gets his first product from me, he gives back reviews, and you could get more sales. This is really a very, very cool technique of getting people.
Right. So check. So you have at 79. You want to just click over to Amazon real quick. I know you placed the order already. Just to go to the actual item. Just the price. I'm just trying to get the price on Amazon. If you want, you could go to orders, scroll up, go to returns and order on the right side. Go to orders. Right. So $55 and sold for 79. Okay, sweet. So yeah, Justin, you can stop. So Justin, what did you do to find this item? What is your actual process? How did you find this item?
The scanner from Ecom Sniper. I was scanning. Can I show you?
Yeah.
So I was using the scanner, and I think I had $50 as my minimum price, and minimum sold was 1. And I was just going through. I mean, you could see I've been through a lot of pages here because I have 16.
Right.
And I saw something similar, and I found it on Amazon, and this guy was selling it, I think, for like almost $100. So I came with a price that was a little less than him.
Right.
And I got my first sale right away.
So what I will remind you to do, you need to go back to eBay and add quantity to that item. So go to
my listings, right?
You have to find it there, but I think it'll be hard to find it. Yeah, so guys, what we're trying to do is just document Justin's journey. We just wanted to share he's hit 100 listings in less than 48 hours, got his first sale. He's using product substitution as the sniping method. So if you guys have questions about the process, let us know in the comment section. I'll put some free resources in the description. I'll put a link to a group that Justin and I are in. But yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Justin and I are going to continue working. So that's not going to be on YouTube. But like, subscribe. If you have any question about dropshipping on eBay, have a good one.